Welcome to MarineMax Rogers in Minnesota. Today we're going to be taking a look at this G25 Paragon from Nautique. Awesome white with a blue stripe. And before we get into, I like to point out one of my favorite features that these boats are outfitted with, and that would be the steering assist thruster on the rear, allowing you to park this big boat, dock it super easily. It makes it very nimble. Now that we're aboard the Paragon, I want to show you some of my favorite features. Starting on the transom here, we actually have board storage under both rear compartments with sliders, allowing you to avoid having to have boards hanging off the side of your boat. We also have right here flip-up seats on both sides, allowing you to face the action, kind of hang out in the back as people are swimming. Step aboard, we have a giant center walkthrough. This Paragon also includes some throw pillows, make it a little more comfortable sitting in here. This is a 100-year edition, so we have lighted badging all around the boat. And another awesome feature of this Paragon is that you actually get dual link screens. So you can have maps on one, engine diagnostics on the other, and kind of have everything you need up all at once.